Meaning of injection.
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 Injection. The term injection refers to the act of introducing or adding something into a substance or organism. This can be done through various means, such as injecting a medication into the body or injecting a chemical into a machine to improve its performance. The result of injection can vary depending on the context. For example, in medicine, injection can help treat diseases and alleviate pain, while in engineering, injection can optimize the functioning of machines. Overall, injection is a process that involves introducing something new to achieve a desired outcome.